Hey guys, Austin Gamer here, back with a YouTube video. Subscribe, like, and comment. Another thing, I'm going to show you to bring back Comedy World. Yes, Comedy World. And the backgrounds. So, listen to my steps and you should get Comedy World. So, first get Google Chrome. Download it. I'll have it in the description. Then you have to download you type up Google extensions. Chrome Web Store extensions. It's gonna pop up soon. Okay, so it's popping up. So now you type up Requestly. I already have it, but you touch this button, it wouldn't say rated. It would have said something else, and if you already had it, it would have said added, and it would have said rated. When you're done with that, make a Requestly account, and after you're done with the Requestly account, you need Gmail for your email. Go to the rules. It says get started. It's just, okay. Then, I already have it, but I'll show it for the purpose of this video. Click the green button. There's 7 options. You have to pick this one. It says replace host. Really important. You could type up whatever you want, whatever you feel like it, but for you to remember that this is Comedy World, type up Comedy World. And you could do a description about all the Comedy World and all that, but I'm not going to do that. Then, I'm going to have my notepad. I'm going to have this in the description. I'm going to let you pause this video to see this. Okay, you should have paused it while I was talking. Okay, now, I have it in the description. And if this wouldn't be complete, it would have said cust. It would say HTTP. And it wouldn't be continue, so you have to type up Tom, custom zip. It wouldn't be complete. So in my first comment, it would say the whole thing. So copy it from my comment, not from the description. Okay. After this, just delete the last letter and put the same letter that you just deleted, So if you delete the slash and then put the slash back, and then click save, go to rules where it says on the left, and then I already have one of them, so I'm just gonna delete the new one because I already have one. Go to your Void account. You should have created it already by now, because that's the purpose of the video. Login. Okay. Do not make a video through here. Make a video through the Legacy Video Maker. Then, you go click make a video from the Legacy Video Maker. And then, you see where you see says whiteboard animation. Click where it says Character Creator. You see where it says Character Creator? Click that. See, well, you got Comedy World back, but if you haven't had a Comedy World or you haven't even created one, don't worry. This is prepared for you guys. I will have this link in the description. It would say Comedy World Creator. See, after you copy this one, you click this and you can click the one on the left right here. You click where the 3 little dots in the side. You click there. You click where it says More Tools. You don't click it, you just point at it, and then you go to Developer Tools. You go to Console. Paste it, but before you enter, if you want a skinny guy, if you want a fat guy, click Bob. If you want a skinny guy, pick Adam. If you want Eve, it's a girl. If you want the girl, pick Eve. If you want strong, pick Rocky. I just want Adam, so click that. Never mind. I just want Bob. Bob, because he reminds me of Bob the Builder. after it's loaded, you see it's done. Wow, amazing. But it's not the end of the video yet. After you save your character, click this. It may take an hour or day for if you just started to save your characters, because it would be whiteboard animated characters. So just wait an hour or a day. And I'm not lying, it's actually real or true. So after you have your characters, and if you want the comedy world background, go click on make a video. But make a video through whiteboard animation. Very important. And I'll make a second video of how to bring back cartoon classics. So do not miss it out and see the video. After I make that video, I'm gonna immediately post. I'm gonna put the link to the video in the description of this video after I created it, and I'll put the link in the description of the other video to this. And also, before you're done, you should click on the video that I made. It's gonna be Caillou, Boris, and Doris. Maybe, hopefully, I'll make that video of the Caillou family. Just wait until this loads. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how to bring back the. So this is actually not fake. There's actually Comedy World characters will be saved. Want proof? I'm gonna bring this random guy, and then if you want me to make this video of how to make this guy, I'll like say it in the comments and I'll make it. So importantly, very important, you literally can't do anything. You can't put any backgrounds. The reason for that is, I don't know what the reason for that is, because you didn't save it. So you have to save it first and close. But first you have to put a title, so I'm gonna put like 2. It doesn't matter. It's just temporarily. Just put save and close. Then click edit this video, and then say edit the video, the orange button that says edit this video. But to make sure that you have the Comedy World background, you have to make a character and put the character in the scene. Very important. What I just did, put the character in the scene. It's loading. You can make the characters dance, all that. If you want any tutorials or tricks of how to use Go Animate and do tricks on it, I'm not very good at it, but I could show you a little bit in the video if you want me to. So comment down below. It's loading. Just wait until it loads. It says business friendly, so after this is done loading, you have to switch this to whiteboard animation. Okay, loading timeline. I see them. See, now you click whiteboard animation. So the problem with this is you won't be able to use whiteboard animation unless if you turn off the switch. But in my personal opinion, what do you think is better, this or like whiteboard animation? Come on, tell me. Whiteboard, I mean, Comedy World is much better. See, sometimes it lags. YouTube. I had a problem with Comedy World because it was lagging. It lags a lot, so I just refreshed the page, okay? So from here, I told you to put whiteboard animation, so it should work right now. It works, and I was not cheating. I mean, not hacking or anything to trick you guys to like do a cutscene. I wasn't doing a cutscene just to trick you guys that it's real, but it's a real video. I'm not faking it. It's real. Trust me, it's legit, like 100%. Do it yourself and you'll believe me. See? Look, he's happy. So do all those dances. It's really cool. I want to end this video very quickly right now. So, bye YouTube. But I just did a voice reveal, so voice reveal right before 50 subscribers. So, bye YouTube, but subscribe, like, and comment. And comment, if you dislike this video, do not, leave it alone. If you dislike, comment down below why you dislike. I don't like it. I see people that dislike my videos without reasoning. I don't mind if you dislike, but you should give me some reasoning. You get what I mean? Yeah. So subscribe to my channel for more of these tutorials.